Alright boys, this is another video. Today we go out in public and like fart in public. This is a box, we like Bluetooth speaker, and you will hear the song. So basically I put this in my pocket, like so. And then I got to talk to people. Places, huh? You know, party, this botanical garden is?
What?
Botanical garden. No, there's a garden. Right. Okay. Come check out them preference small top here. Like, how much you want them? What's you want to do? Yeah. Sorry about that. Yeah. So like, this like a 17-year-old could really say? A 17-year-old girl.
Fine.
Kind of thickish, like thick up. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry about that again. Yeah. Belly hurting too, you know? Belly hurting. Getting bad. Sure. Look. Oh yes, no? Please? No, let's come to check your place, no? Yeah. I think hurting bad. Yeah. You guys also have it too, no? You guys also have that also, right? Like fart also. Yeah, everybody does well. I thought me don't fart, no, you know? Yeah. I have to get rid, like, I eat too much beans. Beans, yeah. Every time it's too bad, you know? Too bad. See? Huh?
You don't need what this get to you.
Like, that's what, like, you know, like. So it's okay, right? Alright. Okay. Yes, good afternoon. And the closest washroom is belly hurting bad. Yeah. No? Who Chinese over there? Oh, belly hurting bad. Yeah, wind. I have too much wind, you know. NIS. Yeah. Too much winds, right? Yeah, I know. Like, I ate too much beans yesterday. And what happened? Beans. Like, beans. Yeah, it's good to pass it and so on, eh? Because it's kind of puff up in belly. No? Yeah. No? You like the fat? You like how fatting? I have manners, yeah. Yeah. So where you get the part? You don't like the part? You don't like the part? It's just,
go again home.
Yeah, I understand, yeah. But can you hurt him parts? What? You guys don't love it? The song of the part? I mean, to me it's sexy here. It's a sexy part, you know? No, it's actually it's a fake part, but fake part. Look, miss. So yes, sir. And the closest washroom is? The closest washroom. My belly kind of hurting. You what? My belly kind of hurting. I have too much pains in my belly, in my stomach. It's kind of hurting, very bad. And like it really hurting. You fart, right? You fart also, right? Good. Everybody fart. Can you tell me what time? Because my phone number 3.
12:05.
12:05? You sure? Alright, thanks. What?
That's say your phone there.
No, my friend and then. Like, but it's kind of hard, too. Why are you watching away from? What happened? I need to go to the closest washroom. Bad. What? You guys don't fart? You don't fart? Why are you smiling? Hey, her part sexy, look. Sexy part. Don't you love the part of that? The song of that? The sexy part. I come closer to you?
No.
Why? Why you face so sad? You don't like the part or what? Sexy part, yeah. Excuse me, sir. Can you tell me what time is? Because phone and battery time kind of wrong.
7 minutes past 12.
7 minutes past. Why? What happened?
I just come from here.
No, I just want to see how you react to this this farting. No, it's not a fast sir. See, look. No, sorry, it's a video, look, it's a song effect. You see? What happened? It's a song effect. It's not